On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a California patch on this hole right here. Okay, the first thing we do is we need to square the hole up. So I'm going to cut out a square using a utility knife. Okay, now that we got our hole all squared up, you're going to find a piece of drywall that's bigger than the hole. It should be at least 1.5 inches bigger than your hole that you cut out. I'll show you one. It's a piece of wood for us. So what I do is I turn it backwards and I cut a line in the back of your drywall like 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch smaller than your hole. Scribe a line down like this, and then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove the drywall and keep the top layer of paper. So just go ahead and do it just like this. Be real careful that you don't tear the paper from the front. The reason we're doing this California patch is because we couldn't find any tape. This is a fast way of doing it, so I'll show you guys how to do it. And then you do the same on the top and the bottom of your drywall. Now let's go ahead and do a dry fit. And now we're going to mix up some mud or get some joint compound and go around your hole. Then we take our patch and right here at the edges, just liberally fill it with joint compound. This is going to act as our adhesive and our filler. So just get your putty knife and remove some of your mud, smooth it out. And then we take our wide knife and go ahead and make sure it's flush. And then just finish her up. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.